Welcome to SKTV News. You're watching Primetime English News with Raj Kumari Suchitra. First, the headlines. 2,480 illegal immigrants detected before violence. New 5,457. Special team established to monitor illegal immigration, asserts Chief Minister N. Biren. One woman shot in lower left leg for attempting to lure young girls into sex trade. As violence hits business, entrepreneurs in state are suffering with economic activities almost coming to standstill. In Puina Sukham, a young entrepreneur earns a profit of around 30,000 to 40,000 in a month through Kanglayan cultivation, commonly known as split gill mushroom. With the rise in digital world, we extend our welcome and gratitude to our viewers for supporting the most trusted and first ever OTT platform, SKTV in Manipur, that can be watched globally. Now let's take a look at the news in a bit more detail. Chief Minister N. Biren has asserted that state government will engage in discussions with central leaders to appoint a new Minister of Tribal Affairs and Hills. He also made a firm appeal to those who do not acknowledge the challenges faced by indigenous people of Manipur to refrain from attempting to exploit the state. In a press meet held at a Chief Minister's Secretariat at Babupara, Chief Minister N. Biren has declared that a new special team comprising Commissioner Dr. Sailesh Kumar Chaurasia and Chairman and IGP K. Kabib as convener has been established to inspect and verify illegal immigrants. He stated that previous cabinet subcommittee led by Minister Haukip Letpao as chairman and Minister Awangbao Nyumai as minister and Minister T.H. Basanta as members has failed to progress in their work due to the ongoing crisis. He further highlighted that state government has recently detected 5,801 illegal immigrants in Kamjong district. Among them, 5,457 were taking shelter at designated camps set up at 8 villages in the district. Police, along with authority concerned, is collecting biometric and verification process, citing that the meeting chaired by Chief Secretary held yesterday has informed to submit biometric and verification report of 284 illegal immigrants in Kamjong district to Ministry of Home Affairs portal. He stated that the meeting resolved to provide shelter to the illegal immigrants at designated camps with adequate securities after re-verification. He emphasized that the illegal immigrants will be deported in Myanmar once the situation improves. Moreover, the Chief Minister has urged victims of relief camps who are selling various items along the highway to contact relevant government authorities and submit their items in large quantities. He also informed the victims who claimed that the situation in their villages has improved to collect their housing funds. Furthermore, he stated that the government has initiated construction of separate houses to maintain privacy for the victims from areas that are still tense.
Sandel the Kuntara, Kamjong the Kunkunmari, Adri Tanopol the Kun Kara Choshampo Kun Kara biometrics Hogan. Timji Toga. Adugi Toboganda me listing Maniga, Samri Marifu Pongale. Aduga Husiki Letis, the Kamjong area, the More area, those ladies. Simayam Sequin of it, then Harga Folga, those ladies. 5,457 of the ladies. Simanunda biometric, listing Managa, some down below biometric. Aduga, Alentari Moy situation Pari and a Sativishina, Sohungo Kumapan. Say the Kaideno Karino International, Geneva, do a guy, the Rocanano, Civil Society, women, the order people, the Moima Khan Sarkanic, the Moima Karnam Sarkanic. I could give Prazan, Henry Bawas Moikamba. High by Quina, the Tindu issue. Asongi Mina, Myanmar, Sarkargi, Moy authority la Lowin. Acta by Kaurgata, Latamulati. That woman gets over committee, same is there. Whole Manipur Pumbus, the illegal migrant in Based on 1961 illegal migrants leibam pams ahan ba lising ani chami ni pu je phangba tha phara ba matung da irang lakris madu irang du behind kari lege di achum maran thi gali ba mayam uthor kani praja na sumadu judgment of irang hila ko dagi kun kun changa ga thi ga ba do ji ga ki le thi ba hura abne hura ka da phanga abne ba phanga ba matung da tha matung da ne ba si pon mayam lakris get chu pan ba ya da me na koi moina changa iba jaga kamjong area jum ji te koi security dc SDU mayam thamakanda masing thiraga lising mangada samri yankhai taresi gi manungda lising mangada samagom ra koi biometric lobungame sigi koi nanga si biometric loroga smaina sanga chang pada biometric loroga to bidi smaina IT de gi to biramo 90 de gi to biramo ngasi gi smaina koi khungang yam hengalamo adagi illegal migrant la ko mayam se biometric lori ba khando ba hori ba koi da tainari si manung koi adum hana gi admaina free tha do waira Manipur
The proscribed outfit Koireng-led UNLF has apprehended 2 women for alleged involvement in human trafficking and subsequent exploiting them as sex workers. The 2 women were identified as Moirang Them Baby, 40, and Chinnai, 24. Following an acknowledgement of their actions, the outfit administered punishment to Baby at Laitonjam Awang Lekay in Bisnupur district under the jurisdiction of Nambol Police Station at around 8:10 p.m. yesterday. Baby sustained gunshot wound to her lower left leg, while Chinnai was handed over to a local civil society organization for further assistance. Baby was rushed to a nearby healthcare center and later admitted to RIMS for further treatment. Additionally, Chinnai, a tribal woman, was handed over to their concerned CSO for necessary action. Speaking to media, Pibarel Angomcha, spokesperson of the outfit, stressed the unfortunate reality that many young women are compelled to engage in selling their bodies as a means of earning income. Citing the outfit's commitment to punishing human traffickers aiming to stain society's reputation, he assured that the outfit will continue to punish whoever involved in such activities. He further disclosed that many leaders were involved in these immoral activities and gave his assurance to punish those involved. The outfit seized incriminating sensory photos and videos along with various items. Many entrepreneurs who turned to self-employment after being unable to secure government jobs despite their education are currently facing hardships due to the ongoing crisis. This was stated in an exclusive interview with proprietor of Pawoibi Noodles, Moirang Them Sobita, alias Momon, at Singjamay Makha Sorokaibum Lekay today. Sobita highlighted that prior to crisis, their business model involved selling their noodles in hill areas, employing approximately 10 individuals and ensuring they received adequate earnings. However, due to surge in prices, their profits have reduced. She expressed concern that if this trend continues, it could result in collapse of self-employment ventures and entrepreneurship. She emphasized that the government has not extended any assistance and urged them for intervention through implementation of initiatives to support entrepreneurs by ensuring their survival during these challenging times.
Hoina noodles ki tawre ise chahi ani rom sure ki lal lai grabanina office se kya laitre singman kari kara tharam banina mi tara muksui su base machine gi da paisina ani thaisida han ba khot pa tawrisina moi tare ni pa na dum hale moi gi matik sana khoina khusuman tiba ngamam base hojiti office se kya laitra banina khoi se watle tiba ngamdre aduna akhona laingak tagi mating su suphang phangde lawba su laite adubu matang sida khoina hainina lan matung sida te khoi se wara banina laingak na su miyeng changhani hena pakthok chakthokna khoina suba ngamna ba mayam se khusuman kiba ngamna ba hai tare ko chi se miyeng changhani.
Puina Sukham, a young entrepreneur, earns a profit of around 30,000 to 40,000 rupees in a month by cultivating kanglayan, commonly known as split gill mushroom. Puina's goal is to cultivate sufficient amount of kanglayan, which is preferably consumed by people because of its high medicinal value. He maintained that with fundings from authority concerned, his kanglayan business will be successful. We have an exclusive report on this.
Puina Sukham of Sagol Bansayang Kurau Mokong, after completing BSc Agriculture, stepped into cultivation of Kanglayan, commonly known as split gill mushroom. Despite multiple challenges he faced being a new entrepreneur, he is successfully continuing Kanglayan cultivation with relentless effort.
Subject mi yaw ko subject sida ozana budi phasa takpire duga subject si lorakgi matang sida khoi oja sina Kanglayan je thabe yai Kanglayan thaji na college da thab sida aje ko oja college da thabinare phasana haire ha kan ozana hoi phare yumda thasaru ro na je yumda halaka samain tro hodo khibane hamba thab sida bektara kun ma thai ko sing chaibagi awaba atai oyster mushroom lei ba sing matai lei siga nongainga di sing chaib khitang khenei machine yaudra yaktaba adagi khunna hen pamna chaibase nomagi marira mangal chaibase ngamaktaba amain torko kha thengnei adagi ahanbadadi Kanglayan se tharaga kaida yonduno na khalame sigi bag se sem no na bada kogi pasteurizer otokle gum taka tai ni machine mem taka tara ni incubation to bogi keno se experience na hatare koi ko ino college to do sida manani have late ka khas man torpa adagi hujugudi machine je le ko machine le tinga de sing sai si khra wai
Puina presently earns a profit of around rupees 40,000 in a month. Besides, he also finds difficulties in providing Kanglayan due to increase in demands of consumers.
Malking ke foundation and amayor laiba the training ke kaya halaga moina grant oina 25,000 pire dagi machine ke ka leidan aina 300 bags oina padana thai 300 bags house da 35,000 ambe season yoina je yam tenma matam ni 1.5 months idana 35,000 je tan bang sai 300 bags na adu dagi fazada successful ore khangam na igi machine ke ka sai grant dagi leherob dinane athangda 500 bags thaba 500 bags na 40,000 profit oina ko 40,000 1.5 months sida phangba mais toroga hujike aina thar siu si ka sida 500 bags ne punna budi total 1,600 bags puri tha hama to sum aina sandoki man to sandoga.
In spite of repeated appeals to the authority concerned to provide fundings, no positive response has been received till date.
Andagi aigi sakagi mating haragadi loan je thai ahambada loan je thai adu kogi misam nina kamaina successful oidrimina loan je phangdabugumba adagi startup su thagi ko startup pro ai interview yi keno ko lakide to kem kaide aduga hujik je loan je mauki ke foundation na su chen budi chen biri do phangbagi dilai tri bo ko dikhe.
Puina Sukham opined that relentless effort is required for the youths instead of government jobs. He appealed to youths to step into entrepreneurship in an effort to solve state's unemployment issue.
Isana panabagi keno do pangandu lai taragati soida man pakani si tawya ba thabami Kanglayan thaba hi si Manipur sida di magi magonyam chenba makhangi keno haita mushroom ne haita मैंने सुपाम ना डिमांड जो हम लेबा पुथोगा जो ने डिमांड ने हेमन ये ना पीबंग हम तो शॉर गवर्नमेंट जॉब थबक ना ते को समायना सेंट्रल लंबी में फजना चखपंग हम ना बखना तारी का दबगी गवर्नमेंट जॉब न्यू दिनो आई उजिक तविने से इमान में पुंजा लगा तविनी को यूथ अमा वरी मतम सिदा आईगी हार्ड वर्क की यानी थबक तोनिंग बे वाखलो हन बजे समाय पोखल लगा दगी सिगुम बजे तो हनिंगी गवर्नमेंट जॉब फंगद्रगा सु सिगी सिना माय पांगा तवि मतन दा कोई मी सोइदनो मी
Puina Sukham has been striving to achieve as a success entrepreneur, but he needs financial support. Concerned authority should provide him some financial assistance so that he can become a successful entrepreneurship. Encouragement before success should replace appreciations after success. This is Sktv'S Primetime reporting for SKTV News, Imphal.
Chief Minister N. Biren expressed satisfaction regarding the notice sent to Ministry of Environment and Forest Survey of India by the National Green Tribunal (NGT) concerning deforestation issue in the state. In recent social media post on X, Chief Minister emphasized the need of combating forest destruction, which was recognized by NGT. Further, NGT has requested concerned agencies to respond within 1 week and set a tribunal hearing for July 31. During his speech today, the Chief Minister emphasized the growing international awareness of the issue and shared information on social media platforms. He asserted that NGT's participation is an important step towards forest conservation in Manipur, as it would focus on genuine owners of forests. Chief Minister N. Biren underscored alarming trend of forest area reduction in the state, noting that a decline from around 17,475 square kilometers in 1987 to 16,598 square kilometers in 2021. He attributed a significant portion of loss of about 877 square kilometers to illegal poppy cultivation.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ indigenous people ꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯎꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯁꯤꯗ forest ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ destruction ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯝꯐꯨ ꯊꯤꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ irresponsible ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗꯨ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯁꯨꯝꯕ NGO ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯇꯥꯟꯕ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯨꯠ ꯊꯤꯡꯖꯤꯜꯂꯛꯀꯅꯨ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯖꯥꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯤꯡꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯅꯤ noi NGO paisa tanbadu dum talu but don't interfere United Kingdom gi sunakna migrant oina chatkadabani pichibida leiba lomdana thinga mo ha kanda haibo nagi ICJ level hojiki to kari haingam redo sumaina mogi NGO mathong manam khangdaba mazati yolnaga paisa tanu honaba NGO to bukangu adu yagde khoi bharat ki praja hojik nahan agi tweet amani anium udagi international ki praja khara realize story bhaptar I appreciate ngasi green tribunal forest asigi mapusi kana noise aikoina forest sokunu haru kana aikoisi sa sandona ngangbi budo ena sai rise adugini forest sokunu haru bagi me the sai bagi language wang the ngona sai rise but I khangi adubu ngasi di green tribunal na khonna kana madugi pot mayam no thabu wana ulakado I appreciate for it.
Imagi Maira strongly slammed leaders of BJP government for causing confusion among public with their divergent statements. In a press conference held at Tangjing Hall of Manipur Press Club today, Imagi Maira's convener, Thokchom Sujata, lambasted Imphal police station for failing to take appropriate measures against armed miscreants who opened fire at her residence. Despite filing a formal complaint about the incident, Sujata criticized state forces, branding them as cowardly and ineffective in upholding their societal responsibilities. She pointed out the threats faced by public, including journalists, and asserted that such actions will fuel animosity among people. Sujata urged involved miscreants to refrain from such behavior. She implicated influential leaders in perpetuating these harmful acts. Moreover, Sujata emphasized state government's responsibility to elucidate root causes of the ongoing crisis, lamenting that their failure will only cause hurdles among public. Sujata argued that such ambiguity has compelled mothers to take decisive actions.
Karamba matamda karamba tha kya changhidoino chahi kya changhidoino praja amagi khulao magi hai ta sengna da yo le heras oire chathopa khotokpa da suruk ta sengna nuai tabam pu ado aina hainingi di moi da khunek ta chalibo moisu tawriba poto moi chumbra lambra habadu moi khaloba khogi hura magi tarani mapugi no ma habado moisu khudong thiba soidana nanga kaneba mina fataba tawdre haidana na fataba laman singadamte mina tawgi poto adu ma thogoloi ge batum ro haidana tawdamni tasena khodi na hagi poto su sarkar tharakone khane maram de koina organization amata da hagi bana teba khodi sarkar atumba pudo priyo haibani na adu hari beta mutum dang la to babse miya praja na lo khang manga taneba adu gi play game je topsi praja ga ko ga play game sum sana le gadi tasengna phattaba sum oinarani 15 days ki bokki manung sida sakang da puthopiyo habse imai gi mera gi side gi haji.
According to reliable sources, heavy exchange of gunfights between armed groups yesterday at Indo-Myanmar border near Kamjong district and Myanmar border was a part of special military covered operation of Operation Bermuda. The operation is similar to Operation Jackpot conducted by Indian Army in early 1971. Special Force 21 Para Regiment and Assam Rifles carried out the operation using mainly Kuki militants from Bangladesh, India and Myanmar, pretending and using the name of Kuki National Front Burma KNFB, along with National Liberation Army NLA and People's Defense Force PDF. Sources further said active or retired Indian soldiers are suspected to have participated in the military operation and believed that around 20 personnel must have been wounded. The wounded personnel were airlifted to undergo treatment at military hospital at Laimokong and IGAR South. According to news received by SKTV News, the intense gun battle is undergoing till the time of filing this report. Moreover, except for a cadre of proscribed valley-based Meitei outfit PLA-RPF, who sustained bomb splint injury dropped from drone, no other cadres suffered injuries. The proscribed Koireng-led UNLF in a statement has informed that the outfit supports the spirits of Professor Bhagat Oinam and Professor Priyoranjan for discussing the stage-wise strength and weakness of society in an effort to make clear the idea of Manipur during conversation on the concept of Manipur, a resilient Manipur organized by Manipur Thinkers Forum. However, Publicity Secretary of Koireng-led UNLF's Central Committee, M. Sakhen, in a press statement stated that the outfit considers Professor Bhagat's discussion had missed out major issues. He stated that outfits of Manipur were not started from zero level since its establishment in 1960s. The revolutionary movement was started to regain rights of self-determination that was snatched since 1949. This decision has been frequently mentioned in the statements issued by the outfit. On the contrary, Professor Bhagat's statement that revolutionary movement began fearing that Naga inhabited areas will be separated in Greater Nagaland struggle has indicated Manipur outfit's revolutionary movement as narrow-mindedness for a single community which is baseless. The movement is to rebuild the spirit of peaceful coexistence among different communities. The release further stated that UNLF Central Committee believes that Professor Bhagat will rectify his statement in public platforms in future. Now, the proscribed outfit Kangleipak Communist Party PWG-MC Unification has issued a ban on Smart Security Service SSS agency founder Pratap and Dhana, who is also known to have power of attorney with Pratap. According to a press release issued by the outfit's public relations officer Piaro Chingkhainganba, Dhana, a resident of Uripok Achomlekai, stands accused of deceiving the public through fraudulent means. The statement alleged that Dhana had misled individuals by falsely promising employment opportunities to 80 individuals at Jenims and 350 individuals at RIMS, extracting a significant sum of money in return. It further directed Dhana to refund the money extracted from the individuals, stating that they are daily wage earners. The statement also warned Dhana for stringent action if he fails to appear before the outfit within 7 days. Additionally, the statement also clarified that the outfit is not associated with threats and attempted arrest of Irom Anand and Ngangom Rohit of Kongba Mapal Khaidim Lekai.
I isamapsu rimsa thanena obigibani adu hujipo thade aina maga khangnar pose chamnar pose si pose jun gi tang manga de ei thabo chanjar pani ei joining letter jun gi tang manga da thangje rimsa thani haiga jun gi tang manga 2023 dagina hujipo ba masi bo da thade ai gi matung da jo mi phanam laki mi phanam mana pusangi ma mana jo phanam losalle losanno matanda thabo ko tomne hango matanda pasa kya pine khone hango matanda ai din pala ani pibya hum pibya mari pibya manga pibya hai masdida yamaba masing kogi sanapti gi koi nagai sinau jing gi su mana yamdraba amount ko la ani gi amount amada mi amada la ani gi poch lawi aduga huji pok do thabi banate aduga tharoni hang matam da su yare khole adu haraga dum waje thido dum losali am matam.
A combined team of Thoubal District Police and 33rd Assam Rifles rescued a man who was abducted and apprehended one individual involved in the abduction yesterday. According to police report, the incident occurred around 8:30 p.m. at Waitho in Thoubal District along National Highway number 102. During frisking operation, the combined team intercepted a Honda Activa and seized arms and ammunition along with the kidnapper. The rescued man has been identified as Muhammad Amir, another name Boboy, 24, son of Habibur Rahman from Lilong, Jingzhou, while the involved kidnapper has been identified as Muhammad Sharif Khan, another name Mater, 28, son of Muhammad Abdul Ghaffar, another name Idris Ali of Pudin, Maning Lekai. Upon inquiry, Muhammad Sharif revealed that he is an active member of proscribed Ningol Macha group. The team seized one 9mm pistol with 7 live rounds and one Honda Activa. Lilong Police has registered a case for further necessary action. Combined team of Kaching District Police Commando, Women Commando, and a team of BSF conducted mass combing operation at Kaching and Palel this morning. According to police report, the team conducted combing operation at Chandel Lamkhai, Palel Pioneer Crossing, and in certain areas of Pakthabi. During the operation, the team verified around 150 individuals of 70 houses. However, no arrests were made. The combing operation was conducted under the supervision of SP of Kaching Police, T.H. Vikramjit. Local-made liquor worth around 4 lakhs confiscated during crackdown on drugs on account of 18th Lok Sabha poll was destroyed and damaged today. Significant quantity of foreign and local liquor confiscated from various parts of Bisnupur district by excise enforcement team and district police were burnt in front of the public. The incident involved the OC of Bisnupur Excise Station and the Nodal Officer of Excise in Bisnupur District, SI Oinam Surjit, OC of Nambol Excise Station, SI Thokchom Manoranjan, OC of Moirang Excise Station, SI Moirang Tim Kanhai, and local women. Nodal Officer Oinam Surjit reported that the confiscated liquors were destroyed under Section 69 of the Manipur Liquor Prohibition Act 1991 with consent from Commissioner of Excise. Foreign and local-made liquors confiscated by excise officials from various areas of Kaching and Thoubal districts were destroyed today at Yairipok Excise Office Complex in Thoubal District. Deputy SP Excise K.H. Remay, while addressing the media, disclosed that the liquors had been accumulated since June 1 of last year until April 30 and were stored at Yairipok Excise Station. The collection comprised 75.85 liters of Indian-made foreign liquor IMFL valued about 45,507 rupees, 44.50 liters of beer valued at about 13,350 rupees, and 9,860 liters of locally produced DIC liquor valued about 9,86,000. International Nurses Day was observed under the theme Our Nurses, Our Future, the Economic Power of Care today at Jennings Auditorium. The event was organized by DNAI and SNA Manipur State Branch along with DNA Jennings Unit. As part of the program, floral tributes were offered to Florence Nightingale, commemorating her pivotal role in nursing. Additionally, 4 recipients of National Florence Nightingale Award for the year 2021 and 2022 were honored. Speaking on the occasion, Director of Health Services Dr. O. Sanahanbi emphasized the indispensable role of nurses in functioning of major hospitals worldwide. She underscored that nurses often play a more crucial role than doctors, highlighting their selfless service to patients based on principles of humanity. She further mentioned proliferation of nursing institutions in the state, observing that many nursing graduates are opting to work not only in government hospitals but also in private health cares. Additionally, Dr. O. Sanahanbi highlighted the trend of nurses seeking employment opportunities outside the state, emphasizing their role in fostering a healthier society. Director of Health Services Dr. O. Sanahanbi, along with President of DNAI Manipur Branch N. Tangbi, Nursing Superintendent of Jenims M. Jibanlata, Chief Nursing Officer of RIMS N. Imphal, and Principal of Universal College of Nursing Yaripok Professor T.H. Nandarani attended the event.
Nurses' key roles as we understand. Any hospital without nurses will be just a building with suffering patients. Nurse yautravadi yate. Nurse ki importance asuki matik yaungre. Nursing service is a dedicated and sacrificial profession. Amani. Adama koi dedication, sacrificial spirit. Asibu sakang mo oina. Akoina International Nurses Day haina numisi akoi palan tawjabane. Nurses is the category like ANM, GNM, staff nurse, haidna lady. Haiba ANM, female health worker, haibas namoina akoigi field work the primary health sub centers is the daraga. Even makoi sub center to the laiba ngang sing to the natana or patients sing to the natana yum the salaga home visit haidna toraga PI, IPPI, miam toriba miam se. Sumai to the nurses sings na riba healthcare service asida makoigi dedication and sacrifice to na pirakpasina kunayama tamazama adagi state ama country ama globally missing se masama upana lainana bagi chawba thodang ama lawriba.
Founding member of Pan Manipuri Youth League PANMYL Ahibam Birendra passed away on May 10th following a prolonged illness. The news deeply saddened Chanura Laisem Maruk Macha Lema, prompting an outpouring of sorrow and heartfelt condolences from their members. In a statement issued today by President of Macha Lema W. Amusana, it was revealed that Ahibam Birendra, 77, a resident of Sagolban Teralo Krakpam Lekay, had been undergoing treatment at RIMS Hospital for an extended period due to an illness. Birendra played a pivotal role in formation of Pan Manipuri Youth League PANMYL back in 1968 at Guwahati University. His contributions extended beyond PANMYL as he served as Director of Arts and Culture Department and Chairman of Manipuri Film Development Corporation. Additionally, he held the position of chairman at Northeast Zone Cultural Center in Dimapur. The statement concluded by extending heartfelt condolences to family members and friends of the departed soul, acknowledging the loss of significant figure in Manipuri cultural and social circles. Following the devastating hailstorm that struck on May 5, several families continue to grapple with challenges of rebuilding their lives. Among them is Elangbam Bino Laima from Lamding Elangbam Lekay of Kangabok, who found herself struggling with roof leakage issues after her home was hit by calamity. Recognizing her urgent need for assistance, like-minded group LMG stepped forward to provide support to her by providing tin sheets. Speaking on behalf of LMG, Secretary Ojit Sorokhaibam emphasized the ongoing challenges of numerous families dealing with aftermath of natural disasters. He stressed that the hailstorm had taken lives and destroyed many homes in addition to causing poverty and property damage. He urged humanitarian individuals and organizations to come forward and extend their support to those in need. Prime Minister Narendra Modi slammed the vote bank politics of Trinamool Congress and alleged that the party's goons are threatening tormented women of Sandesh Shahi to protect culprits where allegations of sexual abuse against TMC leaders have surfaced. While addressing election rally at Barakpur in North 24 Parganas district, Modi alleged that under the TMC rule, Hindus have turned into second-class citizens in the state and asserted that as long as Modi is there, no one can repeal the CAA law. His remarks came in the backdrop of multiple purported videos surfacing on social media which claimed that a local BJP party leader made several women of Sandesh Khali sign on blank papers which were later filled up as complaints of sexual assault against TMC leaders. The Prime Minister, however, did not directly refer to those videos. Claiming that under the TMC regime, Bengal has turned into a center of corruption and a cottage industry of bomb making, Modi said the state's ruling dispensation has surrendered before the vote bank politics. Amid military standoff in eastern Ladakh, India hopes to resolve remaining issues with its neighbor China, informed External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar in an interview with news agency PTI. Elaborating on these remaining issues, the minister said that they pertained to patrolling rights and patrolling abilities. Recently, PM Modi said in an interview with Newsweek that a stable relationship between India and China was important not just for the two nations but for the entire region and the world. PM Modi spoke about the need to urgently address the border dispute between India and China. With his reaction sought to PM Modi's statement, Jaishankar said he only provided a big picture viewpoint on the matter. He, however, admitted that India's ties with its eastern neighbor are not normal because the peace and tranquility in the border areas has been disturbed. So PM Modi was expressing the hope that the Chinese side should realize that the present situation is not in its own interest. Calling diplomacy a work of patience, S. Jaishankar said that India continued to discuss the issues with China. In sports news, we have Posterior Hockey Academy Manipur PAM has conveyed its profound elation following the selection of Sanglakpam Nilakanta Sharma and Karibam Bichu for the men's and women's hockey teams respectively to represent India in FIH Hockey Pro League. According to a press release, the General Secretary of PAM, KSH Lalmani, has expressed joy at the selection of bronze medalist SH Nilakanta, Arjuna awardee from Kontha Ahlup Makha Lekai, and Olympic and Asian Games bronze medalist KH Bichu from Charangpat Maning Lekai. Both players are students of PAM. Notably, these same players will participate in FIH Hockey Pro League 2024, which is scheduled to take place in Antwerp, Belgium from May 22nd to May 30th. And in England and London from June 1st to June 12th. The statement further extended its wishes for these players to bring glory to both India and Manipur by delivering their utmost performance. Manipur Badminton Association MBA is geared up to organize first Thongam Ibetombi Memorial Non-State Badminton Tournament 2024 at MBA Indoor Hall of DM University campus from May 27 to June 1st. According to a press release, convener of tournament KH Ranjit informed to all badminton players who are willing to participate in the tournament to contact tournament chairman Haikrujam Jugin and tournament convener KH Ranjit for more details. And now we have weather report for today. According to the report of ICAR Regional Center Lamphelpat, the maximum temperature reached as high as 30.5 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature dropping to 17.5 degrees Celsius. The humidity is forecasted to be around 89% in the morning and 40% in the evening today. And that is all we have for now. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. 2,480 illegal immigrants detected before violence, new 5,457. Special team established to monitor illegal immigration, asserts Chief Minister N. Biren. One woman shot in lower left leg for attempting to lure young girls in sex trade. As violence hits business, entrepreneurs in state are suffering with economic activities almost coming to a standstill. And Puina Sukham, a young entrepreneur, earns a profit of around 30 to 40,000 in a month through Kanglayan cultivation, commonly known as split gill mushroom. Thank you for watching SKTV News, the first ever OTT platform in Manipur. Please visit SKTV website skyIC.in to download SKTV app. You can now access Google Play Store to download the app. SKTV iOS app is now accessible on Apple App Store. For early access, use the QR code. The download link will also be pinned in all our comment sections. Join us for real-time news updates, exclusive interviews, and comprehensive analysis of current affairs in Manipur. Have a good night.